Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Microsoft Teams, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Microsoft Teams, start by downloading the app. Visit the Microsoft Teams website or your device's app store. Search for Microsoft Teams. Select the option that suits your operating system. Once downloaded, open the application. You will be prompted to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After entering your email, click Next. You will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and click Sign In. If prompted, follow any additional security steps, such as multi-factor authentication. Once signed in, you will see the main Teams interface. To join an existing team, click on Teams in the sidebar. Select Join or Create a Team at the bottom of the page. If you have a code from an administrator, enter it in the provided field to join a specific team. Otherwise, navigate to any teams you're already part of. To create a new team, click on Create Team. Choose the type of team you want to create, either from scratch or from an existing group. Follow the prompts to set up your new team, including naming it and adding members. Once your team is set up, you can start a conversation by clicking on General under your team name. Type your message in the text box at the bottom and press Enter to send. To make a call or video meeting, select the Calls icon on the sidebar. You can make a call by choosing a contact from your list. Click on the phone or video camera icon to initiate the call. To share your screen during a meeting, look for the Share option. Select the screen or application window you want to share. You are now ready to collaborate using Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.